Look closely at this all-seeing eye in the sky. If you zoom in, you will notice that the pupil is a seashell. Some of you may recognize this shell. It's the chambered nautilus. This emphasizes the point that seashells are seashells. They assist us with navigating through life. Ocean Oracle decodes the messages from the seashell kingdom. If you're stuck in a pattern or unhappy in your current situation, Ocean Oracle seashells provide insights empowering you to reshape your future. And how effective are they? Well, let's just look at a few testimonials. One Spirit Book Club says that Ocean Oracle is one of the most unusual and unusually revealing divination tools we've seen. In a testimonial from Raymond Buckland, who was the author of over 40 books on New Age and occult subjects, he tells us that Ocean Oracle is accurate, scientific, and downright fascinating, and the test of a divination system is its accuracy. He says the Ocean Oracle easily passes the test. Robert Simmons, who's the author of Stones of the New Consciousness and co-author of the Book of Stones, tells us that working with seashells provides the opportunity to restore balance to all aspects of our lives. They offer a blueprint to restructure our physical, emotional, and spiritual bodies toward increased perfection. And as crystals, they guide us to heal and transform ourselves and ultimately our planet. More importantly, he adds, now is the time to appreciate seashells as valuable members of the crystal family and powerful collaborators. For more information about me or Ocean Oracle, Ocean Wisdom, please stop by and visit my website, www.oceanoracle.com.